Welcome back, everybody. We just finished our flower crowns, which I think mine turned out pretty cool. The next activity, we're making nature wands. So you're gonna need a stick. This one is just like so perfect, but this is, you can make yours a little bit smaller. I think I have a few different, options. You could do different ones, but you want it pretty tall and straight. Mine obviously bends, but I kind of like that. And then we're just gonna we have a little bag with some yarn and some feathers, and you are welcome to add anything else that you want to this. We are just doing this, we just gave you some stuff to get started with. So I'm gonna start with just putting my feathers on the top. I'm gonna sneeze, maybe, never mind. Yep, I'm thinking all the flowers. The flowers are making me sneeze. Thank you. So I am going to just tape those on pretty good. I want like maybe a couple layers to stick those on like that. I'm gonna add another one to it. Okay, like I said, you want it like a couple to make it really, really stick. Okay, then I'm gonna put on a different one. And if you want, you could find feathers outside too. We just wanted to do some fun color ones. So, okay. I'm gonna add my last one. And that's just the top part. And like I said, you can add whatever you want. So I have some more flowers that I'm gonna add to mine. When I'm done with this part. So that's just that part, and I'm just gonna add maybe a couple little flowers. Ooh, there's this fern too, I can add that to it. What do you think? Yes? No? Sure. Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna add a little fern to it. And I want it to be taped on really, really good so it doesn't fall. That looks pretty cool, huh? And maybe even just like something like this. And if you want it to last longer and you don't want to add any of this stuff from out in nature, you don't have to do that either. So it's up to you. It's your wand. And maybe even just a couple little. I might just leave it like this and then add if I want to later. So there's just the top part. Now I'm gonna take my yarn, and like I said, you can add ribbon to this or whatever you want. And I'm just gonna kind of tie it on here. Quick. And you want it to go all the way up to the feathers. Okay. And then if you want to just tape that, mine kind of broke. Tape it on so you know it will stay in place. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around kind of like this. Just like that. And tape it. I'm gonna add another color on. Like I said, I'm gonna tie it here. Okay, now I'm gonna just wrap it around like this. Okay. Oh yeah, it's super cool. Okay. Tape that on there so I know it's gonna stay. I'm gonna do a different color. Let's do yellow. Going. I'm just gonna tie that around. The main part is you want to cover up those stems and stuff that you just had, so. Keep going. Oh, these are so cool, you guys. Okay, then I'm gonna just put a little more tape on there. And I don't know, you probably got different colors than I did. These are all, everybody got different colors this week, so. Okay, so I'm just gonna add the last one. Okay, I'm just gonna tie the last one on, just like this. Keep going. And like I said, if you want to add more string to this, you're welcome to. I just am using the parts that I gave you, so it's up to you. So that is my nature one. Like if you wanted to add, like maybe I would want to add some flowers to that. You know, I don't want to tape those down because if you wanted to, then you could, so there's some, then you could take them out if they die, because they're not going to last more than a day or so in there. So that is it. That's my wand. And if you are doing this with your crown, you know, mine might fall again. Here's, oop, I'm losing my flowers. So just like that, and you are a real queen of nature. Have fun, or king.